Hello everybody, today I'm making a burping video and this is for you Paris, since I dare you to make the gallon of milk challenge and you did it. Yeah, this goes for you. I'm gonna do the burping stuff again, and I got a secret weapon today. I got Dr. Pepper. I love it. So yeah, I'm gonna be drinking some of this and burping some, and it's for you guys. Okay, let's go. Well, now the burping session is gonna start, and well, here we go. That was kind of weak, but yeah, I got a few more coming, and yeah, we got some music on also, and yeah, hope you guys like it, and here we go. So yeah, I'm usually kind of hyper when I do videos and stuff, cause yeah, that's me. And yeah, so yeah. What else I can say? Been doing nothing, just hanging out here and stuff, and well. Man, the one I did in the first take of videos, that was amazing. I don't know what's going on now, but that one was bubbly. Yeah, I'm kind of crazy, I know. But yeah. These videos for you guys, and especially for you Paris. I love you, sister. you made that video. I didn't tell you where, but you did. Well, I think that's the last one, I guess. My burps are not that powerful today like the other video, but hey, still burping. Oh, well. Hope you guys like it, and well, I'm kind of hyper still, but